my name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I styled my summer bar cart for 2020. And I'm also going to be sharing one of my favorite drink recipes, which is an iced Irish coffee. Now this particular video is a part of a collab and it's hosted by Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime. And what they've asked us to do is to style out our bar cart or wherever our bar area is in our home. I'm going to be sharing a bar cart with you today and to share our drink recipe. So if you're interested in that, then just keep watching. I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you back here in a few minutes. So I kept the bar cart pretty simple for the season. I just added some faux lemons. I have my thrifted ice bucket there on the bottom with some of my alcoholic beverages. I put a wreath there that I just purchased this season, and that was from Hobby Lobby. I've got some lemonade, sparkling lemonade that I picked up at Trader Joe's. It is so good. I also have a couple glasses and my carafe that I got from Z Gallery last season, as well as the shaker that was also from the clearance rack at Z Gallery. And then I just had a mason jar there with some straws on it. So that's about it. I did add a little tray down on the bottom shelf as well. And that is really all that I did this season, but to me it screams summer, and I'm really loving yellow this year. So I had yellow for the spring and I just carrying it through for the summer season as well. I think it looks really bright and it's just a happy color. Now I'm going to share the process for making my iced Irish coffee. So the ingredients are pretty simple. You need some coffee and you don't need a lot. I'm using this Five Farms Irish cream. It's a single batch Irish cream liqueur. You can use Bailey's or any type of Irish coffee that you want. Irish liqueur that you want to use. But this is what I'm going to use. I already had that open. You can put a little bit of flavoring in it. I have some caramel, so I'm going to put that in there. And then some Ready Whip and ice. So I'm just going to pour my coffee in here over the ice. I'm going to give my Irish cream a little bit of a shake because it's been in the fridge. There we go. I'm going to pour that in. And I try to do about a 50-50 blend of it. I'm going to put 1 pump of the caramel syrup in, and that's it. And then I'm going to shake that up. This is not the right top for this, but I'm just going to give it a nice little shake to mix it up. I'm using this little glass here, so I'm not making a lot of it, but it is that simple. I don't want the ice in it. I'm gonna spill it. And then again, this is optional, but I love Ready Whip, so I'm just going to put that on top. That is it. Cheers. I hope that you enjoyed my summer bar cart and that you got some inspiration for your bar cart for the season. Again, I would like for you to check out Kimberly Davis and Marilyn's channel. I'm going to be linking them below in the description box, as well as the playlist. There will be a lot of participants in this collaboration, and so you can get lots of inspiration for your summer bar cart. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're not currently subscribed to my channel, please don't leave today without hitting that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video, which is about once or twice a week. I love DIYs, I love home decor, I love shopping hauls, thrifting, and if that's something that you're interested in, you'll definitely want to come back by and see what I'm doing next time over on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Bye-bye.